Hello YouTube, apologies for this horrible lighting. So I realized I know I've recorded the video before, so it's installation day. I completely forgot that I gotta can actually move this up the way real quick. That I wanted to record today. So yeah, I record this process and then this video. What's the date today? Like the 23rd or 4th. So this video is only gonna come out after I get my mic on. Why? Because then it's a complete setup tour video. Today is the 24th. As my mom behind the camera states. So right now, just applying my tape onto it. My 2-way gel tape that we got in the vlog. I don't know how many days ago this was, where we met Chero, DC, and in the mall. And yeah, so in that vlog, we actually go get this tape. If you go watch, which I don't think this tape is gonna be enough actually, bro. I'm gonna be very upset actually pretty soon because I don't really wanna go spend some more, cha-ching on this. I'm gonna try some actually with less tape because I think that my mom is exaggerating with this tape here, saying I must look like this. I think it's a bit of exaggeration. So we're gonna see how it goes. So I had to trim the panel actually because the panel wasn't completely taking up space in the wall, the right spacing. So what I did was, I'll show you now. So you see here, a full panel converting here. So I used the guides on these widgets. So I cut this like this. So I need space here so I can still see the TV, because I don't want to take up all the space there. So I cut this and then from this residue here, it's gonna fall into my hand. Perfect. So from the residue, so this is the other half. I cut it into small blocks so that I can still keep the design flow. So then this should go like this, and then the one on top will go like this. So it'll go, I don't know if I recorded it properly, not like that, and then the other small one will go on top like that. We're moving slowly, but we're getting there. Yeah, so I'm just putting tape now on these, and then I finished the whole row, and I only did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8ish. Not looking good, bruv. Actually a 9, 10. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. Guys, I kid you not, just finished my first tape. We're on to tape number 2. I hope it's enough, bro. I don't really want to stop. Just to bite cheap, bro. Yeah, so at least now we know we don't need a full chunk because the other standing still up. So
cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light.
I figured you guys might want to see this how I do it, but I think these gaps here doesn't bother me that on video. It looks like it's a big gap, but like it's not that bad really. So as you can see, we got the mic over here. So this has been some time because I didn't want to get it. So look at it, also nice and lovely. You can do unboxing with me for it. So we got the mic holder over here, the desk clamp, microphone, audio, and then arm boom over here, arm boom. So let me set this up and then I'll be with you guys now because I want to have it set up. Sorry, my desk's a little messy right now. I want to have it set up so my mic comes around up like this. Yeah, so there's the setup. It's been a few months, I know. Well, yeah, months. And there's the PC stuff. So let me just set this up and then see you guys now. So it's done. I need to find something out of these cables because it's quite annoying, but at the moment sounds pretty good. But I actually give you a demonstration of the microphone itself. So we're currently on the mic, and honestly I can say it's a good experience so far. The only problem I have with it is that it doesn't have a software, but other than that it's fine. I just use the application I downloaded from Google. It worked perfectly fine because now it sounds like an actual podcast mic. Well, it was before, but now it just sounds really good. It has a good pitch to it and a good gain. So I've been enjoying it. For streaming, it's doing well. The only other downfall I have with it is that it picks up too much, but it's okay. Yeah. So if you guys want to review on this, let me know in the comments. If you made this far, I hope you guys enjoyed the setup progress and more to come.